Hello, it's the EnderEmerald here from CEZ, and today I'm starting a new series where I just tell you about a scientific thing, and today is the heat death of the universe, which, first thing first, is one, how the universe will die, and if you Google years, that's a lot of zeros, and two, energy moves all the time. It's molecules that have got spazzed out and supercharged. So let's start. I'm using Microsoft Paint, by the way. Credit. um, let's start by. Okay, so all across the universe, there's little circles. I'm just going to select. I wanna undo that one. Select it. Copy. Paste. And paste. There's a bunch of circles everywhere. And all of these little circles, all of them circles, I'll get a few more circles. They're all molecules of different sizes and shapes. They're just circles and circles, and all of these circles now have energy in them. All molecules have energy. And so this one, I'll do it in a more visible color. This has one, that has two, this has one, this has four, this has none. Well, that has to at least have one. Then that has none, and then this one will have two, and then this one will have three, and this one will have six, I guess. And this one will have two, three. And so, since energy is always moving, that energy, one of these energies from this bubble, is going to take a trip to this bubble. And this is what will cause rapidly, this is what will cause the heat death of the universe. All of the energy and all the molecules will equal out. That's connected. Don't want to confuse anybody. And then that one goes to there. And then this one goes to here. And you can skip a little while if you don't want to see this part. It's relatively boring. Just erasing stuff. And redrawing stuff. And that one is going to this one, and two of these are going away to this one and this one. And now you're seeing what is occurring here. I did not balance this out in the right way. And then there's a few things left, and so what is going to happen is there's more, since the universe is expanding, there's more stuff being made. So say there's one and it has two energy in it, and then one of those energies decides to leave, and it goes to this. And then another thing gets made. It has two in it. It actually has four in it. Wow, four is a lot. Not really. These would be like atoms more. So, just like energy molecules inside big molecules. Complex. That's another day. And so, two of its things leave home, moving out of the nest. And one goes to here, and one goes to here. And then what happens is this one gets, keep doing it one color. This one circle gets made, pretty oblonged, and it has inside 5 So, one leaves and goes to this one. And one leaves and goes to this one. And now it's all equal. You're probably wondering, why doesn't one just move to a different one? So it's not equal. Because when it's equal, that's the ultimate equilibrium. And so nothing can move. It would be still universe. So stars would die out from burning out and take all their planets with them until the universe was just a black, empty void where nothing could happen. I'll put this in an easier way. So, pretend you have a number line. Pretty long number line. And on one, wait, I had this idea planned out. Okay, so on one side, you got the energy. On one side, you got some more energy, the other half of the universe. And right here in the middle, it's 0. Absolute 0, which means that's as low as it's gonna get. This is 10, and this is 10. As they're balancing out, they get closer. So this one's now at 9, and this one is now at 9. They're gonna keep balancing out till they meet in the middle, and there's only like 2 more molecules to get balanced out. On a real scale, it would be like only a billion left, or probably like a sextillion, because there's a lot of universe to go around. Who wants a slice of the universe? I do. So they're gonna meet at 0, and once they're at 0, the last molecule will have equaled out, and the universe will be still. This is the heat death theory of the universe. But if you're scared, don't be. Don't be. Humans will be long gone before then. Because that would be about Google years. I'm gonna need to make this font bigger. Google years. I gotta make it bigger. Text. Make it 24, yes. Google. Not Google. Google. And, that is 10 to the 100th power. So it's 10 times 100. Which would be 10 with 100 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna type in a lot of zeros. And it's probably gonna be close to there. So don't worry, because it's gonna be probably this many more days. Now I'm gonna go a little longer. This many more years until the universe dies. And right now, we're about here. 2014. And in 10,000 years, it will be 12,014. And it'll be so many 10,000s of more years. Humanity will probably be gone a lot sooner than the universe's death. There are numbers bigger than this, Googleplex and stuff. This is insanely high, so do not be afraid. Humans are gonna be gone after that. What? And if they are still around, it won't seem much different. It'll just seem like you're gonna get slowed down. Some things won't be able to move. And then eventually you'll just be like sitting there. You won't even be able to think or anything. Have no conscience because there's no distribution of energy. So, hope you had a good one. This is gonna be CEZScience. I just came up with that. Bye.